Hello. Hey, so today we're going to put together our rocket card. So hopefully you've got the template and you've printed your rocket card already. We do suggest printing it on a heavier paper. Cardstock is good. Regular printer paper is just a little flimsy for a card. So I'm going to skip the part where I would color this in because it's 10 minutes of me coloring. You really don't need to watch. But again, here's your card. I'm just going to fold this in half real quick. Looks like that. There's the front, there's the inside. There's a little diagram here showing our circuit, and we're going to build it right now. So to build this, we're going to need some scissors, some of our conductive maker tape. We are also going to use a battery, an LED. I'm going to use a safety pin to poke the holes in the paper. You can also use a paper clip or something like an X-Acto knife, but a safety pin works great for this. The LED legs are a little soft, so it's hard to poke the holes through. So let's get right to it. We've got our safety pin. We're going to poke a hole right there. Another hole right there. Those holes are on the printout, so very easy to find. So you have two options when you do this. You can put your LED in so it's just kind of flat like that on the paper. But what we're going to do is we're just going to bend over the legs a little bit. You can see that. So that our LED can kind of lay sideways. So what we want to do is look at where the positive and negative is. And our positive leg on the LED is the longer one. So we just want to make sure we line those up. So here the positive is going to be the bottom, negatives on the top. Luckily I already bent it that way. Put that through there. So that's going to lay like that. So it kind of looks like shooting off our flames. So once you've got your LED in like that, you can just kind of bend those legs flat on the inside. So it's going to look like that. And let's open this up. So we've basically got our battery, positive and negative, and we've got our tape, positive, negative, running to each of the LED legs. So what we're going to do next is what we call a tape loop. And there's a little diagram right here. Oh, sorry, before we do the tape loop, let's get our negative leg connected. So we're just going to stick some tape down about where the battery is, and then just kind of bend it over right there. So we can hold down our negative leg. We got a little extra, that's fine. So here we go, we're going from there to there, holding that leg down. Now we're going to make our tape loop, which is really just a small piece of tape, maybe about an inch long, that we're going to sort of roll up. Hopefully you know how to make a tape loop, but if not, we've got some instructions. So we take this piece of tape, stick it right down in the center there. And what that's going to do is hold our battery down. So it's going to connect to the negative side. So we're going to stick that down. So right now we've got our negative going over to our negative leg. We just got to add our positive there. So grab another piece of maker tape and basically stick that along the top of the battery and hit that positive leg. And I can see it's already lighting up. So there you go. We've got our LED right there. It's lit up. It's on our card. If you want to turn it off, you can usually just peel that tape up. Just let it hang loose, and that's our off switch for now. If for some reason you do the circuit and it doesn't light up, you might try flipping the battery just in case you got the LED legs reversed. But otherwise, that's about it. You've got your card there. Hopefully you've colored it, decorated. Thanks for watching.